welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani and for today's video, I'm going to take you through my top picks that you can get your hands on in the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So let's get started. Alright, so there are certain brands that are on offers in the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. So I'm going to be sharing my top picks from those brands. So if you are someone who's interested in a particular brand, you know which product to go for first. Alright, so we're going to be starting with Dot & Key. First, we have their face washes. I think all of their face washes are really good. They're very refreshing. They don't strip your skin. They balance the pH level and they are actually really nice and effective. So check it out. Whichever face wash works for your skin concern, get your hands on that. And the second product I really like from them is their lip scrub. It's amazing. Next up, we've got Cosrx, and there is no shocker that my recommendation is going to be the Snail Mucin. It's really hydrating for your skin and it will help you maintain your skin's healthy barrier. So if you have sensitive skin or dry skin and you feel like your skin's barrier has been compromised or you get redness or breakouts very often, you should try this one out. Next up, from the brand Tony Moly, I would recommend their Ceramide Mochi Toner. I've barely used a bit of it, but oh my god, I'm obsessed. It's got a very light, milky texture. It helps you build your skin's barrier, and especially if you're someone with oily skin, we don't usually go with your hyaluronic and lots of hydrating ingredients. So this is a nice light dose of hydration to give your skin so that it doesn't produce excess sebum. So quite like this one. Next up, from the brand Foxtail, I have two recommendations. First is their Vitality Retinol Night Serum. This is my second or third tube. Super obsessed with this retinol serum. Even though I wouldn't call myself a beginner at retinols, but I still am obsessed with this one. It does not make you break out at all. Highly recommend this if you're someone in your mid-20s looking to start anti-aging products. Next, I would recommend their Overnight Glow Mask. Now this one has AHA, PHA, provitamin B5, and it also has glycolic acid, so it does gently exfoliate your skin. So in your skincare routine, if you don't have any exfoliating ingredients, then you can add this serum. You don't need to use this every single day. You can only use it twice a week because it is an exfoliant, and next morning you're going to wake up with the most radiant skin ever. I would love for you to save this for special occasions. Next up, from the brand Simple, I would recommend their micellar water. It's very gentle, it's very affordable, it removes all kinds of makeup. It little goes a very long way. You don't like, I've been using this bottle for 6 months now and it's still going very strong. And I do recommend their face washes, moisturizers. They're like no fuss. Like if you are someone who doesn't want actives, you just want to build a healthy skin barrier, or you want a very simple routine, like then you can definitely check it out. But I would highly recommend the micellar water. Suvasu is also going on sale, so really recommend the First Care Activating Serum. It's really good to build your skin barrier and it gently exfoliates, and it overall balances everything you need in your skin in just one product. So definitely worth a shot. Speaking of Korean brands, next we've got Innisfree. This is their Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. I really like this one, especially for oily combination skin, because it removes all the gunk from your pores. It makes your skin feel nice and tight. Another exfoliant that I really like is this one from Wishful. It's their Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. So if I'm going for a family function or something like that where I'm not going to be wearing any makeup but I want my skin to look really good, I'll use this product, gently exfoliate my skin. Even if you're using actives in your nighttime skincare routine or daytime skincare routine, you can use this one. Just use it all over your face, wash it off, and your skin is going to be glowing for the entire function. So really like this for like a quick fix. Next, we've got Aqualogica. You guys know I love the Aqualogica Glow Plus Dewy Sunscreen, but what I've been loving even more nowadays is the Detan Plus Dewy Sunscreen Spray. I am obsessed with sunscreen sprays for the body. More than SPF, I feel like I'm obsessed with sunscreen sprays because of the kind of glow they can give your skin, you know. So especially if you're wearing a dress or wearing something sleeveless or you want your collarbones highlighted, I love using sunscreen sprays to just spritz a little, blend it. Of course, you're protected, but also your skin looks really good. And another product I really like from the brand nowadays is the Aqualogica pH Tint. Okay, so this is their pH lip gloss, and it is so long lasting and it's super vibrant magenta Barbie pink. Okay, so if you're dark skinned like me, you don't want to use this properly, Just take a little bit of product, spread it on your own with your hands, and if you feel like it's becoming too vibrant, just wipe it off. Next up, we've got the brand Sol de Janeiro. Obviously, you know this is the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. It smells really good. It's very spreadable. It keeps your skin feeling soft all day. Is this the best body lotion in the world? Absolutely not. There are lots of dupes for this, like the Plum Caramello body lotion. That is a exact dupe of the smell and like how the product applies, how it hydrates your skin and everything. But I feel like this is one of those indulgent products that you want to feel spoiled and luxe about. So if you're someone who's been saving up to spoil yourself, I would recommend this one because it's a good product. It's just a little pricey. From MAC Cosmetics, I have one recommendation. It's this Studio Moisture Cream. Now it's really hydrating. It gives a nice glow to your skin. It preps your skin for makeup. It makes your makeup look like filter. It also makes your makeup look very dewy and skin-like. I really like using this one and you can see how much I love it. The only thing this doesn't do is blur your pores. So for that, I've got the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. I like to use this especially in my T-zone because it does blur out the pores. Plus, it brightens your skin a little bit because it's got a little bit of a pink tint. And it's the most blurring primer I have ever used. And I don't think I'll be getting over this one anytime soon. After your primer, we are going to get into illuminating things. I have to recommend the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I really do like this one. If this is too expensive for you, you can go for the e.l.f. Halo Glow. But this is going to be on offer, so definitely check it out. It's got a really nice sheen, the glow from within look. Perfect for brides. Highly recommend this for brides. And you can use it just on the high points as a highlighter. You can use it all over your face as an illuminating glow. Or you can use this as foundation. I have done it. I have mixed this with a little drop of concealer and I use it all over my face and it looks flawless. If you want a really skin-like foundation, you have to try the Clinique Even Better Clinical Serum Foundation. This is a little on the pricier side, but once you blend it in, it looks so beautiful. Your skin looks so juicy, so healthy, like you've had like a gallon of water and cum. Plus, it does not look like makeup on your skin. You know what I mean? It's not cakey at all. It blends so beautifully. You need the slightest amount, but you can build it up if you need coverage. Really like this one. But if you're someone who needs a high coverage foundation that you need a little bit of, but will cover up all your imperfections, you have to try the Derma Co Niacinamide High Coverage Foundation. I'm not sure about the benefits of niacinamide because it's just 2% niacinamide, but oh my god, the way this foundation wears through the day, the way this foundation blends, the way it looks, it's amazing. It reminds me of the Estee Lauder foundation, which is a very big thing for me to say. So definitely worth a shot. The only concealer I recommend everybody to buy is the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is something that I tried saving for special occasions, but after using this, I'm so unhappy with all my other concealers that I use, that I've ended up using like 3/4 of this. All the branding has also gone away, is how much I have loved and used this foundation. If you see any of my videos, you'll see me using this product. It's fabulous. You have to get your hands on it. Another recommendation that I have from Too Faced are their melted matte lipsticks. If you're someone who likes matte lipsticks, you have to give these a go. Every time I wear this shade red one, which is called Lady Balls, I get asked like 50 times what red lipstick I'm wearing. Everybody loves it, even the pink one, even the nude one. This one does not budge from your lips no matter what you do. So really recommend it if you like matte lipsticks. Next up, we've got Maybelline. Now I do love a lot of products from Maybelline. It was really hard to narrow it down, but I narrowed it down to the Fresh Tint because it's the only tint in this haul basically, and it's the only tint that I really like that was on sale. So I'm in the shade 05, so terrible shade range because they have 6 shades and I'm like 5. So terrible shade range, but if you do find your match, definitely go for it. It provides a nice glowy finish. It looks very natural. It's so good for college. And another product that I like is the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This can blur out your pores. It can make your makeup look airbrushed. It does not budge throughout the day. If you apply it under your eyes, it's going to make your eyes creaseless. Absolutely love this product. And I've been loving it for 5-6 years now. Next we've got Fenty Beauty. Two products that I highly recommend. One is this one, which is the Killawatt Highlighter Duo. Now, do you see highlighter on my skin right now? It's very natural and very subtle. So they've got two shades. One is a very natural one that I'm wearing today, but the second one is so strong, you guys. It's so strong. I don't like to use it in my videos because it will blind you. So I save that one for special occasions. I love both the shades. I love using them as eyeshadow. I'm using the second one in my inner corner, if you can see, and really like this product. It's one of my favorites from Fenty. Another one of my favorites is this one. It's the Fenty Heat Gloss in the shade Hot Cherry. You can see how much of this I have finished. I have 50 glosses in front of me, but I always reach out for this one. It provides a nice little plump and it has a nice shade, it has a nice shine, and I really like it. Next up, we've got Mars Cosmetics. I've been loving too many things from them as well, but two products that I feel like I reach out for the most from the brand. First is this one, Cover Rangers Concealer Palette. To be completely honest, use the orange shade, and sometimes I'll use the green one, but other than that, these are good products. They blend really well, they set really well, they don't budge, and it's really good product, especially if you're like a makeup artist and you want all of these shades in your kit. Definitely check it out. And the second one is the liquid eyeshadows. Now these are blinding and they are so affordable, plus they come in so many different shades that you can pick all of them up. It's like a really good product. It lasts for very long. It does not crease funny, and a little goes a long way. Next up, for brows, it's not a shocker that I have to recommend Benefit. Now they've got multiple products. You do not need all. Just pick one which works for you. One is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Now this has got a thicker thing, so if you're someone who has really sparse brows and you need to fill them in, check this one out. If you're someone who only has like very tiny gaps in their brows to fill, but a brow pencil is feeling like too much, then you need to check out the Precisely My Brow Detailer. It's got such a fine applicator tip that you can actually draw strokes with it. And if you're someone who is blessed with full brows but you need to set them in place, then you can check out the Precisely My Brow Wax. Next up, we've got Huda Beauty. Now I do love a lot of their products, like a lot. There are very few products that I really don't like, but I would highly recommend getting the eyeshadow palettes. Why? Because nothing beats these eyeshadow palettes. The blendability, the pigmentation, it's perfect for beginners, it's perfect for advanced people. They've got something for everybody. So go around, scroll. I'm not going to tell you which palette to get because that totally depends upon your taste and your choices. So scroll about a little bit because they are on great discounts. The only thing that I have heard, okay, which I feel like you should also be careful about, is go in the product info and check the expiry of the product. I have heard that usually with Huda Beauty and other brands also, I feel like why not just be careful. They do end up giving you products that are about to expire, so make sure there is at least a 12-month window of the product you're purchasing so that you get enough time to use it. Next, we've got L'Oreal. One thing I really like from there is their Lash Paradise Mascara, because it gives you the most amazing volume, length, pigment and everything. Plus you should get the not waterproof version so that you can use it on a daily basis, because the waterproof one will really stay on you. And another product I really like are their Infallible Matte Resistance Liquid Lipsticks. Again, if you're someone who likes matte lipsticks, would highly recommend these. These would turn out to be a dupe of the Too Faced Melted Matte lipsticks because their lasting power is really good. And the last product on my list is Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray. This setting spray works like no other. It makes your makeup last like no other. It will melt all your powders like no other. Like, it's the best product. It's always sold out, and a little goes a long way. I've been using this since its launch in India, and it's been a while. Like, this probably expired, but I can't stop using it because it's so good. I'm actually tired of talking at this point, but if you guys enjoyed this video, then please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below and let me know which of these products you're getting, and I'm going to be linking all of them in the description box so you can check it out. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.